Alright guys, so I'm gonna do a quick video on replacement of the bulbs. I'm gonna be fitting some LEDs. This is stock ones. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some pictures of how it looks before fitment and then after fitment. Let me just show you guys quickly what it looks like. So this is the stock lights, and then I'm gonna just fit it quickly. I don't think it's necessary to explain how to fit it because it's quite simple, but maybe I will still need to replace my brake lights, and then that's how my number plate lights look. I'll put it in the reverse quickly. So my reverse light is LED already, but that's the cheap ones and it always flickers, so I replace all of it. So all of the LEDs that I'm gonna fit, I got from Mr. Lee's LEDs. I'm gonna pop up his logo with his number right now, and then all his social media will be down in the description box below. So yeah, that's it before. I'm gonna take some pictures quickly and then I'll fit all the LEDs. Okay, so there's all the LEDs and a donkey, a 20 cent. So there's all the LEDs that Mr. Lee gave. Let me just see. So that's box, number plate, reverse lights, and the two interior ones, and then this is the back interior light. So let me start with the back quickly. It's actually quite easy to take off. I'm gonna, excuse me for using a knife, but it's the sharpest thing I could find, so quickly just pop it in there and Bob's your uncle. So I actually had no light at the back here. So yeah, basically just pop it in there like that. Let me pop it in there quickly and then I'll move on to the front. Alright, so I just popped it back in and then just push the cover back, and that's that. So you can already see it's nice and white. Let me open to the front quickly and then I'll get that sorted. So the easiest way I found to do the front was, and excuse this big blade in my hand, guys. It was just something with the thinnest blade that I have around. There we go, that's off. Once that's off, you just pop your hand in there and you pull it out like that. So that's that. And then these are the lights. Let's put that down there quickly. A 20 cent and a bottle of water. Let's see. There you go. Oh. That one feels so thick. Alright, and there it's done. Quick fast. Quick guys, this is my cousin Warren. So actually I forgot to show the strut bar that I had to the back. And there's my oil from my last oil change. I might just keep it there for backup. Let me see if I can get in here quickly. Guys, okay, so yeah, like I said, I was gonna replace that, but I actually don't have a bulb for it. I lied. And then yeah, that's the strut bar from T-Fab. I'm gonna leave his details down below in the description box. And don't judge my blocky oil there in the boot. So I just quickly pull these panels off. Just clip it off on the corner. There's two panels, clip it off on both sides. And then over there will be your number plate. And I think this will be your reverse light. So I'm just gonna pop them out quickly and then I'll replace them. Let me just show you. Should just, there we go. And Bob's your uncle. Okay guys, so this is the headlight bulbs that I got from Mr. Lee LEDs. Some of the stuff that he stocks. Got some stickers. Yeah. And throw that in the car. And then these are the LEDs that I got with a fan and everything. I I'm not too clued up on all the LEDs. I did, however, run these LEDs on like 3 of my cars already, and I like it because it's good quality and they don't break, the last forever. So let me just flip the camera quickly. So yeah, like I said, I've used these LEDs before and they don't break, they last very long. And the worst thing is when you buy LEDs, you fit it and 2 months later it breaks. And that's what would happen with my older cars, with my Polo TDI, my Chef Bakkie, and now this will be my third vehicle that will have his LEDs in. Top quality, good service. He does deliveries, he does installations also if you want, and he doesn't only sell LEDs. So yeah, once again, I'm gonna pop his logo up with his number. And thank you, Mr. Lee, for sorting me out. Let's fit the headlights in the parks quickly. Alright guys, so there's a difference. I'm sure it's clear as day. LEDs, headlights and parks, and Wang Fong Tong. Oh, here we see. Okay, now I'm gonna face the camera to you, Owens. So let the pose. Okay, let me quickly fit the other side. Alright guys, so this is the in product. It's a big difference and I'm loving every second of it. So that's the number plate. Interior, you can see shining lekker. Yeah, it's amazing the difference some LED lights makes. Let me just throw that in reverse quickly and then pop my lights off so that you can see the reverse lights only. Nice and white, no blue lights like it was before. Let's throw my autos back on quickly. Here we go. Yeah, here we have it, all done. Look at that nice shine. So yeah, once again, thank you, Mr. Lee LED. I am over the moon as always when it comes to your lights, sir. Guys, please go and check out the socials and buy a set of lights and say that you saw my video, please. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, have a good evening, cheers. Alright guys, so we're here at Killarney. It's now 8 in the morning, 10 to 8. Over here really a couple of people pulling up. But here's the gents' cars, Chad's car, my car, Evan's car at the back, Joel's car. Yeah, you can have a lekker braai day and enjoy some time with the gents.